Hi, hey there YouTube. You're looking at me from the Anafi. So I got me a Parrot Anafi here. If you've been watching my videos, you've seen I already did one flight on it. Didn't do all that great, but you know, did okay considering that I don't know anything about this thing. Anyway, I wanted to bring it out here today, just do a little bit of testing with it and see what it can do. Of course, you know, we can look at it and take the camera and of course, you know, it comes down. And of course, if you know anything about the Anafi, it'll also look up. So it'll go up 90 degrees. I'll just take it that far. That's past me. Alright, and there we are. So that's that. So let's figure out some of these flight things that it's got. Let's see. Let me go into let's see. So under manual flight, I've got manual flight. Cameraman, follow me. Smart Dronies, touch and flight plan. Because I did buy the two plans that are 99 cents each for this thing. But I'll tell you what. Let's do this. Let's do the follow me. So I'll tell you what. I would just put this on dynamic. I'll put it on follow me. And let's see if it follows me here. Well, let's draw a square around me. Okay, well, it is moving. Man, it zipped across there. Just trying to get away. Boy, it shakes back and forth. I'm curious as to what this video is going to look like. Just don't want to slam into the car. Here, let me see now if I can get you down like that and get you looking up a little bit. It says it's too low. So it definitely don't like being that low. Okay. Alright, well, we see that part works. I'll tell you what, let's go select. And like I said, I'm going to try the orbit again. And let's get it out here a little bit. Let's see, let's pick left. Okay, all right, it's coming around me. All right, it is orbiting. Okay, it did one orbit. Is that it? Interesting, okay. So it did one orbit and that was it. Okay, let's try the parabola. Just a short one, 33 feet. It's counting. And there it should take off. Alright, and it did. So it's well above me. Alright. And it came down on that size. Interesting. Alright, here, let's do a tornado. Okay, it's on tornado. Okay, so it's circling from up there again. Okay, now it's going, it's like it's counting down. Okay. See what it does when it gets done counting down. Ooh. All right. So that's follow me. Let's go see. Let's see if I go to cameraman. Draw a rectangle. Okay. So it did. Press down on the subject and drag to move the framing. Well, I've already done that. Let's see what it does here. Okay, so it just locked in place and it's just following me. So let's see if I go underneath of it. Okay, well, it to keep up with me going directly underneath of it. Interesting. Let's go this way a little bit. Alright, and one more time. I'll walk directly underneath of it. And there it goes, spinning around. It's got my head barely locked, but it's got my head. Okay, well, so that's cameraman. And it said subject lost. Alright, smart dronies. Saying device GPS signal. Okay, there. Now it likes that. Okay. Alright, so I drew a circle around me. So let's see if I do. Alright, so we got orbit, parabola, dolly zoom, and boomerang. So I'll tell you what. Let's bring it down. Bring the. I want to do the dolly zoom. We'll see what happens. I picked the last one. Okay, wow, that zipped out real fast. Interesting. Dolly zoom, and then I'll pick this first one. It's counting down. Alright, now it's bringing everything in. Okay. And let's do a boomerang. 98 feet. Okay, so it's going straight out. Here it comes back in. Okay. So let's see, we'll do a parabola here, 33 feet. It's counting down, 3, 2, 1, boom. Okay, it's going up over top of me here. And it's coming down right behind me. Okay. A little weird, but alright. Alright, so I'll tell you what, let's go. Yeah, let's pick touch and fly. Alright, so tap to select a destination. Well, I'm doing that. I ain't doing it that way. Let's see, if I pick a map, let's see. Alright. Alright, so I had to bring the map up, and then it just zoomed over there. Okay. Let's see, does it stop? Yeah. Yeah, it looks like it stopped when I got to that point. Alright, we're going to bring it over here. Tap here to start. Here it comes back. Okay. Interesting. Alright, so let's see. Let's do this. I'll hit it to right there. We'll tap. And there it goes. Okay. My goodness. Alright, good. Now, let's bring it back. So it should be coming back to me. It's spinning, it shows. Alright, so tap to fly is actually fairly useful, I think. Here, let's let me bring her over here. Alright, so now I'm on my second battery. I just took off, from this point right here. There we go. This is maybe about, I don't know, 6-7 feet from me, I'd say. What I'm going to do is fly this thing out a little piece and then just hit the return to home and see what we can do. So let me get it out of here, take it up. And just to make sure it's not in a straight line. Here, I'll just take it over this way. And I'll even turn it. There we go, okay. Okay, I hit return to home. It's going up. See how close this thing is to coming home. You don't come back and land right. It does say returning home down at the bottom of the screen. And it's already over top of me. When it's flying on its own, it's quick. I got 88% battery life on this thing. Alright, she's coming down. Here, I don't know, let me see if it'll let me flip the... Okay, then there it stops. And it's just going to sit there, it's not going to land. Okay, well, I'll tell you what we'll do then. Here. I'm going to drop it right there, okay? Okay, so I had a quarter, which is still there on the ground, right underneath of it, right? So again, let's take this thing out of here. Get the camera looking up. There we go. Here, I'll take it to this side this time. And in fact, here, we'll flip it around to get it looking at a different area. All right, then we'll hit return to home.